So it seems to be a mystery. What's inside the bag? And the mystery for me is, why is it a mystery what's inside the bag? It's a bag. But somebody seems to want to know. What is inside the mystery bag? Is it extra underwear? Is it shaving cream? No, definitely not shaving cream. No razor. Deodorant? Should be. But it's not. What is inside the bag? I just don't know. So, here's the big secret. It's not underwear. It's not a toothbrush. It's an extra spark plug, a roll of the poor man's duct tape, which is electrical tape, some swag bags that I had made up because I have a lot of people ask me about my bike and didn't know Royal Enfield was still being made, and some stickers, some magnetic like these, the others are just stick-ons. I just keep them in my little bag, no big secret. And if you want to know exactly what's in the swag bag, so I don't have to make another video on that, here it is. Like I said, just a couple stickers, a little bit of information if somebody wants to go find royalenfield.com or the dealer that I bought mine from, a picture of mine, and a tire pressure gauge from Royal Enfield.
The Moose Lodge had a poker run just before isolation hit. A guy searched me out and asked me how I got a Royal Enfield in the States. He had been visiting India a few years back and was able to ride one during his stay and told me how much fun it was to ride and how lucky I was. Another time I came out of an AutoZone and a guy had been waiting there to talk to me about my bike. While chatting about the bike, I handed him a swag bag and he was so grateful. One time at a stoplight, a woman pulled up in the left turn lane and shouted across at me, asking what year my Royal Enfield was. I told her it was brand new, 2020. Just picked it up the other day. Don't even have 500 miles on it yet. She was amazed and started telling me a story of her dad riding a Royal Enfield. All that at a traffic light. I've gotten more out of my Royal Enfield than just a great ride.
And now that that mystery is solved, the next mystery is going to be, why isn't the bag on the bike anymore? That's in maybe the next video or 2 videos from now. I haven't decided yet, but yep, the bag is no longer on the bike. See ya. Thanks for tuning in.